friends, welcome back to Vipasha Kids channel. Today I am going to say few ways to get rid of getting bored. So because of lockdown, many children are getting very bored. Few of them have their own online classes and they get they have homework and then they get occupied. But then other than them, many homeschooling children or the ones who don't have online classes are getting very bored. And like almost all the time, like they are just watching movies, but keep watching movies will spoil your health. Like one thing, that when you get bored you become creative. I am going to say a few ways which I did when I got bored. So like when I was young, so until I was 8 years I was the only child. After that my brother was born, but before my brother was born, I mostly we will be traveling together as a family, me, my mother and my dad. But even if my father goes around for the trainings or something, me and my mother will be at home and then we will be doing something. With my mother also we will be going out. So something I did occupy. But when my brother was born, my mother was taking care of my brother and then she needed extra help. So sometimes I used to help. But until I think he was 1 month, I was going to school, and then I stopped. And after I was feeling very bored at home because my brother was very young. I mean, he was just a newborn baby, and my father used to go out to do training. If he was at home, then I will be going out with him. But because he went off, I got very bored. I would get very bored almost every time. In the evenings, our neighbor's daughter, we both are the same age. So we both play. She used to come to our house, or I used to go to their house. Somehow evening the time goes. But in the morning, it would be really difficult for me to it would be little difficult for me to get rid of getting bored. So at that time I did not have TV. I mean, I used to not watch. I got very even though I used to not watch any movies. When I was young, I had only watched 2 movies. Other than that, I have never watched songs. That's also very less. One day I got very bored and I had nothing to do. So before my brother was born, when we were in Bangalore, we went to an auditorium. There saw puppetry, a shadow puppet show about Hanuman. Hanuman is a character of Ramayana, the great Hindu epic. That one they had the characters made in cardboard, or I don't know what they. I think it was wood or something like that. I don't remember that much. It was when I was very young, quite young. Like I was around 6 to 7 years that time. So they used to do, and then they will wear very anklets. As each move of the character in the wood that is made, they will step on the ground. That the sound of the anklets will come and it will be as if the character is walking. And that lady who was hosting that, she was a puppetry teacher or something. I don't remember that much. And so that time in Kerala, I got very bored. Then I remembered that, and what I did was we had few plastic tables. So in that I took one. And then I took one of my father's dhoti. I tied it around it, and then I had many soft toys and also Barbie dolls. I did it from down, and then I fixed a torch inside that, and then I kept that doll, and then that was a shadow puppet, and it came very well. So I enjoyed doing that. And another way, that the same thing in the below will be there. I had few Barbie dolls and these puppetry I don't know what you say, like putting in hand and showing this dog, cat. That I had 1 or 2. with that I also did it on top of the table. That was also nice. I did that. And then that was what I did once. And then me and my friend, what we used to do, like, our plastic table is like a hollow thing below. So I asked my mother. There were many old bed sheets, like large double size cot old bed sheets or torn ones. I asked, can I take that? And then I took that and then I put it in the plastic table. Which one I took also was like there here too. The torn ones I kept it as a window, and then one thing which I wanted I threw it completely. Each one had one plastic table. Under that we went and then we were playing with that. That was very fun for us. And then sometimes I will be doing arts. I mean arts, not that much arts, but craft and all. I used to make many cards, like for many things, New Year, Christmas, like that. Make cards for my friend. She also used to make it for me. Like that we do. And then I made many handbags to put it. And then and all like that. The craft I do that. Then painting and all. Sometimes I'll be making cakes, baking cakes, biscuits and all. Number one, you see the works around you which you can do, like which work in your house you can do, which is allowed for you, like that. And then if there is no work or you're bored of this work, then you can do arts, crafts, that is also good. Then you can, like, if there's any problem in doing that, painting, what I used to do, like, I am always prepared for a dance or a song, singing. So I have a system, but now it's broken. But still, like, I know the song by heart. So I'll be singing and dancing for that. Or if I want that one, then like my father will put it in my brother's computer, or we'll do some way for dance. So you can prepare a dance, keep it prepared, and just practicing that will make your time pass. Practicing that, and then if you're practicing, then you should be prepared for any time. That's how I am. I used to prepare because for my father's class, many of them used to come to our house to learn, and then in front of them I used to dance, sing, like that. That will be, and then that dance I'm still practicing, and that takes my half of my day. And then singing, that's also, like, I like that, and I also do singing. Sometimes I'll be taking care of my brothers and sisters, and then I'll be reading like books. I haven't got the books for this class, but the old books, which, like, I'll be putting math sums. I'm going online maths classes. Sometimes there'll be homework, but then that will be also fun. And then practicing sums. Like, I'll be writing something just to not forget that. Then if I get more bored, and I also in the evenings I read like these Mahabharata, Ramayana and all. And then every day I do, every evening, puja in the evening, like around 6 o'clock, 6:30. And then I'm taking online classes, so 5 days in the week goes in online classes in the evenings. Around 4 to 5, 5 to 6, like that. But other than that, yeah, that's what happens in my house. And then you can also try puppetry shows. Now also I did once, but this time I did it much more different. I'll put a video about how I'm doing that, then that will be helpful for you to try. And then sometimes I'll be reading these like Tenali Raman, Birbal stories, Mulla Nasruddin, like that, their stories, and that goes like this. And then sometimes if it's like a festival day or like, most of the time I'll be fasting. There'll be works around, I'll be doing that, but here also there are no much works. Taking care of my brothers and sisters, the time goes, and sometimes I'll be editing my videos which I have shooted and to put it on YouTube. And almost my day goes like this. And sometimes I'll be making the lunch or dinner or breakfast, anything. So like that our time goes, and we'll be preparing for the next festival which is coming. So now Ganesh Chaturthi is going to come. So many things which I do. Yeah, this is how my day goes. Okay, so now I'm going to stop over here. So if you like this video, then you can like it. If you get any benefit from this video, and if you feel that your friends can also get benefit from this, then you can also share my video. And if you want more videos like this, you can subscribe my channel. Thank you, bye bye, see you in the next video.